Alright guys, so I've been driving all day and it has been so hot. Like, I'm not used to being this hot. It's been a while since I've been in the South like this. But after tomorrow, I think it's gonna start getting cool, which is awesome. I cannot wait for that. I think next week will be in the 60s the entire week, which I am looking forward to. Today is like 78 degrees. I'm like melting. But anyways, I'm driving all day. I'm only like 2.5, maybe 2 hours and 10 minutes away from my sister's house so I can pick up Lars. But I think I'm gonna take today to do errands because I have a lot of stuff I have to get done. I'm completely out of water with my 5-gallon. I need to wash my sheets. I need to wash my clothes. I need to wash myself. So today's gonna be like an errand day. I'm just gonna do some like errands. I really want to get the car washed because it's covered in pollen, which has been destroying my nose. Allergies have been kicking my butt for the past like couple days. So I need to wash the car, get all that pollen off, and I'm gonna bring you guys along today for this errand day. And tomorrow I'm gonna be picking up Lars, so I'm really excited about that. It's gonna be nice and cool so we can hang out and go travel some more in the South and not be melting. So I'm excited about that. But yeah, first we're gonna head to the car wash and take it from there. So let's hit the road. All right, I have like 3 minutes left. Let me see if there's enough time to clean the fridge. Oh, that's disgusting. Good as new. Just in time. That was a buzzer beater right there. All right, van washed, fridge clean. Let's go do laundry. All right, while we wait for the clothes to wash, there's a Walmart right across the street, so we're gonna go there and get dinner. Okay, we are making great time. I'm gonna go put my clothes in the dryer and I'm gonna come back. We're gonna do a quick grocery haul before it gets too dark. All right, hopefully you guys can see me all right. It's getting dark. I had to close my windows because the traffic passing by is way too loud, so it's a little more hot in here. But I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul just to show you guys what I got, because this episode, I really didn't plan on recording today, but I wanted to get you guys a video. So I'm just kind of doing random stuff that I don't really do, but yeah, let's do a grocery haul. All right, so first and foremost, if you've watched this channel, you've probably seen this mug. It's a camper van mug. And in all honesty, to be honest with all you guys, this is the fourth one of these I've had to buy. Doing van life, things break a lot. That's why a lot of people get like things made of steel or wool. Wood, not wool, that wouldn't make any sense. People usually get things that are made of steel or wood, but this mug is just really nice and I can't help myself from picking it up whenever I break it. I just broke my other one. I was driving, something fell, and I heard a shatter, and I was like, oh, no. And it broke again. So this is my fourth one. Hopefully, fourth time's the charm. In my freezer already, I have a few frozen fruits. I've got some passion fruit. I've got some dragon fruit. And I also found this frozen yogurt bark. It's banana peanut butter. It looks pretty good, so we're gonna try that out later. So I'm gonna be showing you guys things while I'm putting it up, just to make it faster. I got some Stoke brand espresso. It's gonna be really good. I love that stuff. I don't drink coffee a lot, but doing van life, you always meet up with people who do drink coffee, so I've kind of turned into a coffee drinker myself. But this is the weirdest coffee creamer I've ever seen, but look at that. Blueberry muffin flavored coffee creamer. I got a small one in case it's nasty, but I'm excited to try that out. I got a couple Olippops. I got lemon lime and ginger ale. These are really good. They're like a probiotic soda. Got some organic butter, unsalted. I also got a couple watermelon juices. These things are really good, really refreshing. I love them so much. Got a couple of those. I got some organic bananas for my smoothies. I actually did buy a new blender because the one that I had before, the little small portable one, it's good, but it doesn't really blend up fruit that well, I've noticed. So I got a new one. It's still small, compact, it can fit with me, but it's way stronger. Got some organic Eggland Best eggs. Just had to get some eggs. I have noticed egg prices have gone down like substantially compared to what they used to be. It used to be like $7 for a carton of eggs. Those were like $4.98, I think. One of my friends that I've had on the channel, It's Big Nugget, put me on to this Cajun two-step. It's a Cajun seasoning by this, I've never seen him, but he's like a TikToker and he does like Cajun stuff like that. So I saw this and it really inspired me to make the meal I'm gonna make tonight, which is going to be, I got some mushroom ravioli. I'm gonna cook that up with some of this rotisserie shredded chicken. And we're gonna throw a little bit of ricotta cheese in there with a little bit of pasta water. I got some pesto in the fridge already from a couple days ago. And I'm also gonna chop up some baby spinach and kale. And that's gonna be dinner tonight. I'm not doing anything fancy. I am exhausted and I'm just ready to go take a shower and go to bed. I got a couple of yogurts, some Chobani and some like plain Greek yogurt for my smoothies. Got a gallon of water. I got some Chipotle chicken sausage. Last but not least, I got some Gordon Ramsay meals. I didn't know that he had these until like a week ago. I tried my first one. I tried this one specifically This is a slow roasted beef. So it's pretty much beef stew in a red wine sauce. And if you guys know me, I cook. I consider myself a chef, and a good one. No lie, this is some of the best beef stew I think I've ever had in my entire life. And I tried a couple other of the Gordon Ramsay meals, and they're actually fire. This is not an ad or anything. These are just like the best frozen meals I've ever had, hands down. But this beef one is like super good. It's so good that I'm definitely gonna like try to recreate this and do it better on this channel. Probably coming up soon, so look out for that video. But yeah, so I got a couple Gordon Ramsay meals, and yeah, that's it. The clothes are in the dryer. I'm ready for a shower, so we got like 20 more minutes left. We're gonna go to Planet Fitness, take a quick shower, and I think we're gonna park at Planet Fitness tonight. I checked on iOverlander, says it's a good spot, so we're gonna roll the dice. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed my unboxing, and hopefully you guys have been enjoying this video. All right, Planet Fitness. We're gonna be camping right here, kind of close to the edge. The van looks a lot more stealth now that I took off the roof bag. All right, I'm super exhausted. I'm gonna run in here, take a quick shower, and I will see you guys when I'm fresh and clean and ready to cook. Peace. All right, guys, back from the shower. That was very necessary after such a hot and humid day. The South is really something different, but I am starving and also exhausted, so I'm gonna speed through the cooking, but it's still gonna look good. It's still gonna taste good. So let's get started. All right, so you definitely want to make sure to save some of that pasta water. And the next step, add some ricotta cheese. Some mozzarella. Baby spinach and kale. Now we're gonna add our pulled chicken. And last, I'm gonna hit it with some pesto. It smells amazing. I'm gonna eat out of the pot. I think this is my first time ever eating out of the pot. I usually try to like plate it all nice and stuff, but today I am tired. I'm really tired today. So hopefully you guys forgive me for not making like a gourmet thing today. Just some ravioli. Wow. That looks really good though. That looks so good. Okay, let's give this a try. This is really hard to eat and try to make it not look gross because these things are so huge, but this is really good. Wow. This is definitely entering into my roster. Cajun pasta. Absolutely. This is delicious. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. I'm going to finish eating this food and I'm going to go to bed because I am exhausted. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. It was a little bit different. I wanted to take you guys along, just like a non-aesthetic, non-like fun, traditionally van life fun episode. Just like kind of a boring day. But these are the days that like a lot of people don't show, and these are the days that like show real van life, I guess, as it were. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Lars should be joining me for that one. So see you in the next one. Peace out, astronauts.